Welcome to Module 20, the last module for PowerPoint 2016. In this module, you will learn how to create your custom slideshow, configure your slideshow options, rehearse timings, and present using Presenter View. On the ribbon, click the Slideshow tab and then click the Custom Slideshow button in the Start Slideshow command group. Click the New button. This window will allow you to begin selecting the specific slides you want to use in your custom show. In the box next to Slideshow Name, type the title Antarctic Peninsula Class Presentation. You will be presenting one section of slides based on your research that will be determined by your teacher. In the Slides and Presentation box, select the checkbox next to the Slide 1 and the checkbox next to the first slide of the section you will be presenting. This will make the Add button visible, and you can click it to add the selected slides to the slides in the Custom Show box. You can change the order of your slides by clicking the up or down arrows, or delete slides in the Custom Show by clicking the X. Click the OK button. On the Slideshow tab on the ribbon, click Setup Slideshow, found in the Setup command group. The Setup Show dialog box will open and provide you with many settings to choose from. In the Show Type section, make sure Presented by Speaker or Full Screen is selected. In the Show Options section, click to select Loop Continuously until Escape checkbox, and Show without narration are selected. In the Show Slides section, click to select the custom show you just created. In the Advanced Slides section, keep the setting for Using Times if present. This will provide you the flexibility in your presentation to add timings or manually advance the slides. If you were presenting to a large audience, you would keep the settings in the Multiple Monitors section. Click the OK button. One way you can present your slideshow without having to manually advance the slides is to rehearse timings. Click the Slideshow tab on the ribbon and locate the Rehearse Timings icon in the Setup group of commands. By clicking Rehearse Timings, you will be able to rehearse and practice speaking to determine how long you will spend on each of the slides when you present to an audience. Once you click Rehearse Timings, you will see a timer begin to run in the upper left-hand corner. The counter in the middle is timing the current slide. The counter on the right is timing the total time of your presentation. You can advance to the next slide by clicking the arrow or Enter keys on the keyboard. When you are finished, you can end the rehearsed timings by clicking the Escape key on your keyboard or clicking Exiting the recording window. You will then be asked if you would like to save the new slide timings. Click Yes if you're satisfied with the timings, and click No if you'd like to start over. When you give your final presentation on your research of the Antarctic Peninsula, you may choose not to use the notes pages and choose to use Presenter View. This is an interface for controlling a live slideshow. As you view the presentation on one computer monitor and see the slides in Presenter View, your audience sees the presentation in Slideshow View. To begin, click on the Slideshow tab found on the ribbon and click to select from Beginning in the Start Slideshow command group. When the slideshow begins, right-click anywhere on the slide and choose Show Presenter View from the menu. The current slide appears in the large pane on the left. Beneath it are icons that represent some of the presenter tools as in Slideshow View. The next slide in the presentation appears in the smaller pane on the right. If your slides contain speaker notes, they will appear in the lower right corner. As you explore the presenter view, experiment with the different features. Click End Slideshow to end the presentation. This is the end of the PowerPoint course for the Microsoft Office Specialist Academy course. To prepare for your exam, Think of a topic that interests you and create a presentation on it. Use the Objective Domains PDF as your checklist.